Lights. We need some lights. Where are the lights? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in America, the ultimate Ferrari cave. We have the Ferrari Aperta, one of 210 in the world. We got the De Tomaso, we got 328s, we got an Alpha 8C, we got a GT2 RS, a couple Dinos, a couple Porsches, but the Ferrari Aperta somewhere. The keys, where are the keys? Anthony, where are the keys, dude? We need the keys. Guys, if you don't follow Tony on Instagram, go check him out, Life of Ferrari. We are about to get a cold start up on a Ferrari Aperta. Oh no, Tony got us. EV mode, are you kidding me? I promised you a cold start up. We got snaked right there. That's pretty sick though. Yes, the Ferrari is a hybrid vehicle. Here it is, the Ferrari Aperta, the most exclusive modern day Ferrari in the world. That's cool and all, but note this warning label. The maximum speed with winter tires, guys, is only 124 miles an hour. So if you have a Ferrari Aperta and you're rocking Pirelli Soto Zeros, keep it under 124. It's pretty simple. Whoa. Dude, this is sick. This is sick, this is sick, this is sick. Anthony, dude, thank you. This is so sick. This is so cool. This is so sick. This is how you go to Sunset GT in style. Cold tires, wet pavement, 950 horsepower, and a Ferrari Aperta. So weird. Yeah, we don't want too much. Okay. All right. Yep. We're good. We got a little shake and bake, but we're okay, guys. I don't think the camera is doing this justice right now. Like the whole back end is just shaking all about. Every time Tony accelerates, even just slightly, the whole back end goes like that. Unfortunately, California, come on California. We needed sunny weather today. It's a Ferrari Aperta, but, oh, hello. So we are headed off to GI Automotive. We got a whole crew we're gonna pick up, and then we're rolling off to Sunset GT. We're still trying to figure out, do we take the hardtop off or not? More to come. 7th gear, automatic, 35 miles an hour. And welcome here to GI Automotive. The squad has assembled. We got the SVJ, the Performante, the Perf Spider, the Aperta, the 650, and the 488. So we are going to remove the carbon hardtop because sometimes in life, it's a Ferrari Aperta, like, this is it. This is the moment. We have to. You sure? Yes, look at that. So unfortunately, you cannot stow the hardtop in the Ferrari, so we're gonna drop it off here at GI Automotive. So if it does start raining, the curiosity portion of the vlog will be here. This thing is wicked though. We got the GT3 RS, we got the 675 LT, the 488. Welcome here to GI Automotive. Yeah. Whoa, this is a sick view. So we're at the 2nd floor headquarters at GI Automotive, and Anthony is hooking us up. Whoa. Are these for me? So GI Automotive is a dealer for Pilotti shoes. Pilotti?
We're the first little boutique for them, and they've decided to do it here at GI Automotive in LA.
Those are sick.
24 hours, staying on array. Limited edition, they're almost done. I saved you a couple pairs.
Oh, sick. These are gonna make me a faster driver, right? That's a guarantee.
You know what? I'm actually interested in your feedback to see how you like driving with the Pilotti sole, which is what I think this shoe is all about, in your manual Gallardo.
Yes. These shoes are sick. Unfortunately, it's raining, and so we're not gonna rock these today. But when we get home, drive the manual Gallardo, yes. Los Angeles, what is going on? It is now pouring rain, so we had to put the top back on the Ferrari Aperta. I know, trust me, I'm upset and triggered too, but it is what it is. Nothing quite like the Ferrari Aperta making its entrance here to Sunset GT. And of course we have, hello. There it is, the new Koenigsegg Jesko. I don't know what that is, but that's very impressive. Very cool. Whoa. Lots of lines. Yeah, wow. This thing is insane. I don't know what that is, but it's raining and we're in a Aperta, so. We have the new Aston Martin Zagato shooting brake. I don't know if we can get out though, so we're kind of sort of trapped in a Aperta. There are worse places to be, but we'll figure it out, don't worry. We have these stanchions right here. I think we're allowed to... Yep. Whoa, there it is, the new Koenigsegg Jesko, or is it Jesko? I'm not really sure. This thing is insane though. This car has been on its world tour, going everywhere. What a monster. Then we have the Regera right there. Whoa, what? We have the key to the new Jesko. Obviously I don't want to break anything, so I'm going to return this very, very quickly, because if I was to drop this, my YouTube career would actually be over. Stepping in the Jesko. The door seal is so deep. Oh, we're good, we're good. Whoa, check this out. This could quite possibly be the first car to ever hit 300 miles an hour. I've seen all the videos on Instagram. I've been wanting to do this for so long. That is so sick. Check that out. One last shot for Bumble. This is it. If this doesn't do it, nothing will. Like, this is the only Jesko in the entire world. All right, we're gonna try to squeak on out. Here we go. Out of nowhere, we have the Porsche 918 Spider. It's pouring rain. Oh, coming out in full force. We got the Rimac Concept 2, and we have the world record Agera RS, 277.9 miles per hour. So the Jesko, or the Jesko, is replacing the Agera RS. We're talking 1,600 horsepower. It has 7 clutches. The transmission weighs in at around 75 kilos. This thing is next level. Great nation. Look at those Michelins right there. Carbon wheels, you got the green calipers. Dude, I cannot wait for this car to hit production. When that's gonna be, I have no idea, but I cannot wait. So this is the high downforce version. There's also gonna be the top speed version too. What do you guys think? Do you like the new Koenigsegg, or are you gonna miss the Agera RS? Of course, we got the Regera right there. You can totally see the evolution from Jesko to Regera. We actually rode in this car, what? 2 weeks ago, 1,500 horsepower. They're gonna be building 80 Regeras and 125 Jeskos. He's pushing the brake right now. That's so sick. I just wanted to point out that I'm wearing my SpongeBob shirt. For some reason or another, I always end up wearing this shirt when I do stuff that's really important. We got the Regera right here, the Jesko. But we're here at Sunset GT. We got supercars in every direction. I wish I could get one of these instead of an FF, because this thing is wicked, but I think they're like $1 million. I don't know for sure, but they're a lot of money. We have the Chiron right there, and we have that matte carbon Senna. The rain is kind of a bummer, but we're out here hustling. This is my favorite Senna in the entire world. Whoa. We got the McLaren GT. This car was unveiled like 5 days ago, and now it's here at Sunset GT. I think this is sort of like kind of maybe the replacement for the 570 GT. Check out this side intake. That is taken straight from the McLaren Senna right there. That's finished in matte carbon, by the way. What do you guys think of the new GT? It looks way better in person. You brought the wrong car. You promised me a Murcielago in the last vlog. I have you quoted.
It's here.
Where? Where is it?
It's already in LA.
We're gonna go see it today.
We can make a phone call and go get it.
We can make a call, like right now?
We can make a call.
We've had a good weekend. We rode in a LaFerrari Aperta, we rode in a Carrera GT, a twin-turbo Huracan. But there's nothing quite like the Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. This is the Eleanor of our generation. This is my airport ride. We've done it, boys. We've made it. Oh, no way. You're driving?
Uber.
Dude, this is sick.
Yeah,
I've watched you on YouTube.
I got you. I've seen you on YouTube too.
Yeah.
You're the guy with the channel name that never bought the car.
One of 28 LP640 manuals in North America?
27.
27.
According to Ed Bullion, who knows way more than me.
Finn Wiki himself.
Yes.
This thing is so sick. Gated manual, LP640, 6.5 liter V12, 640 horsepower.
That's how you leave.
Yeah. Sorry, so sorry. Actually, you're welcome. You should be thanking us.
The clutch slipped. We literally just had a burnout out of the Beverly Wilshire Hotel. Might never be allowed to go back there. Well, you know what? That's good, because it's really too fancy.
We didn't belong anyways. I mean, the last 2 people who should be at the Beverly Wilshire are David and I. So yeah, we left a last good impression.
Chiron, beautiful car. But does it sound like this?
Nope. No, it doesn't. God bless Lamborghini, and God bless the V12. Beverly Hills police just shut down the road for us. It's very convenient, very considerate. This is sick. Can't make this stuff up. The door squeaks, just like mine. It's a Lamborghini issue. Lamborghini execs, if you're watching today's video, our doors are all squeaking. It's very embarrassing. Like we're trying to flex with the Aventador, the V12, and then the door squeaks. Mercy owners think they're so much better because their doors go straight up and Aventadors go out.
I have a theory. The reason why Aventadors have the squeaky door is because instead of going perfectly up, they kind of go.
Oh, you're kidding me! Don't worry, don't worry. I'm gonna have vertical doors soon too. Oh, I heard a squeak! I heard a squeak! I heard a squeak! They all squeak! They all squeak! Yeah, nice try. It's all right. Squeaky door squad. I see this is pretty convenient.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, guys. Well, we're gonna take James to LAX. You don't have to close it.
I don't? Are you sure?
We got a whole closed road. Okay.
Oh! Stop! Don't run. Stop!
Hold on. Can your car do that?
No, my car cannot do that. Oh my gosh.
And to add it to the list of things that were wrong with this car that I've yet to get to fix, air conditioning.
Yeah, it's pretty hot in here. Actually, that actually is very nice. Air conditioning. I can get my 405 shot. Check that out. Whoa. This is the bumble shot right here. Murcielago LP640.
We're just trying to get a vlog of who can be the douchiest Lambo owner.
Oh yes! Now we're talking!
405! 405!
Auto shot, auto shot! If you need an Uber in the greater Los Angeles area, contact Damon Fryer. He's open for business. We got the back, I don't know if you can sense, but the back end was like, we were sideways, but we lived. Only Damon would we have a police checkpoint at LAX. I have been here 1,000 times, never a police checkpoint.
Hey guys. Thank you.
Don't do it, don't do it. I got a flight to catch. I've never seen you so controlled in your life.
Only for you, man. That would have been a clutch drop.
Damon giving me the Uber ride. Anthony is my luggage, and then we just have the Aventador just because we can. Not that we need to, we can. It was fun and all, but I got a flight to catch.
What are you?
I'm 5. I'm American.
Oh yeah?
Yep. See you later. Later, bro. Bye, Damon. I love you, Damon. Keep that what? See you, man. That's right. That's right. Have a safe flight, buddy. See ya.
Welcome to Salt Lake City, where the local time is 8:18.
It is freezing in Utah, but we made it home. Guys, remember, the Baby Mac is for sale on eBay Motors. Link in the description below. Go check it out if you have any interest. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.